So if you want to hear about other remedies and natural things that help you with your anxiety and OCD, please subscribe to this channel because I am doing that constantly, trying to provide you with some real results for anxiety and OCD. I just want to eat my healthy snack alone, but I can't because Buddy won't let me. Buddy, can you please stop tearing up paper all over the floor? Hey, Buddy, give me that. That's not yours. Buddy, why are you in the garbage? What the heck, Buddy? Buddy, will you calm down? Oh, wait for me, Buddy. Oh, God, help. Somebody help. Help. Buddy. Oh my goodness, if you had a day like I had with Buddy as a pet sitter, well, you would know that you probably need something natural for anxiety to calm you down. And luckily you've come to the right place today because I have a great new product for you that you may have heard of or may not have heard of. It's great for anxiety. The reviews are through the roof for anxiety and OCD. What is this product called? Well, it's called Lavela, and it's a lavender peel for anxiety and also helps with OCD. At least that's what people have said in the reviews. And you have got to listen to this today because this could help you with your anxiety. I met a great holistic psychiatric nurse who specializes in holistic natural remedies. She actually told me about Lavela in one of our appointment sessions and told me that it was something that really a lot of her patients were saying helped them with their anxiety. So, of course, I'm like, well, I got to go try this out and I have to see exactly what the results will be. So, there are many lavender products for anxiety out on the market. But the product that I am talking about today is Lavela WS 1265 from Integrative Therapeutics. So Lavela is basically an essential lavender oil known as Selexin, and it's in pill form. And it has been shown in clinical studies to reduce anxiety and produce a sense of calmness. A lot of people take it for sleep. Many people take it for anxiety. Many people take it for OCD symptoms. And all of the reviews that I've read and my research have been really great. So where can you find this product? Well, if you do your research on Google, you can see many stores where you can purchase the product from. I purchased mine from Amazon. And the price, well, what is the price point? It's about $35 to $40. That seems a little expensive for a pack of pills that will probably last you about a month. But let me tell you, if it's something that is going to help your anxiety and OCD, I'm sure you have spent more than that amount in a few days for food, right? And that's not something that's going to really help your anxiety and OCD. So how much do you take? Well, the package says to take 1 to 2 soft gels per day, depending on your need. How effective is this product? Well, after looking at the reviews, I purchased it personally because I was impressed by what people were saying. But there was a review that really pushed me over and made me want to buy it. This person said, "My psychiatrist told me to take this every day for my anxiety. I also have a prescription for Xanax. Since using the Lavela, I rarely use the Xanax anymore." So that impressed me because I also have a prescription for Xanax. And I don't take that very often because, as you know, Xanax is a prescription medication that can be habit forming. But I have so many other things in my arsenal that I really don't have to worry about that. And now I have Lavela in my arsenal. So what was my experience with Lavela? Well, I only took a couple capsules so far. Because I'm on prescription medication right now, I do not want to mix too many things. But my plan is to wean myself off of medication and then to start trying Lavela because from what I've heard, it has very few side effects for most people. You know that there are going to be some people who this does not work for, because I know, because there's many products that I've tried that did not work for me. However, when I did my research, there were so many people who got good results from this product that I had to try it myself. I wanted to share this because it's so important, because I want you to have all kinds of things in your arsenal for anxiety and if you have OCD, so that you can have go-tos, so that you don't have to depend on prescription medication and that you can be free in a holistic way. So if you want to give this a try, check the description area of this video below, and there you will see a link to go and purchase this product if you would like to try it. If you have tried it before, you should leave me a message and let me know how it worked out for you. Also, check out my other videos for natural remedies. I have a whole playlist of natural remedies that you can go check out. Please go see those. Those are phenomenal things that can help you with your anxiety and OCD. I will talk to you next time, people. Thank you for tuning in. I appreciate it.